Hello.
Okay, Alex, what's for dinner?
This stuff.
What you got?
Mac and cheese and turkey.
Ashley, what's for dinner?
It's not here yet. I'm going to be having a pancake, some applesauce, apple cinnamon tea, some tea, yeah.
Okay. Mama, what's for dinner?
Turkey, mac and cheese.
Same thing as Alex, huh?
Yeah.
What's for my dinner? Where's my dinner? One back here in the corner. Beef casserole and carrots. Tasty wonders of cafeteria food.
When the other guy was dishing up the turkey the other day, Alex. The guy that dished up the turkey the other day, put more on it.